Hey guys, Michael here, and today we're going to create a tutorial on how to take a better selfie using with your old phone.
Pose, expression, and look. Always remember that posing an expression shows the mood of the subject. It really depends on your post, but by doing so, this will show what kind of person you are. By creating different posts, you can show the world the beauty that you always hide. Clothing. Your choice of clothing will show what kind of fashion style you have. It doesn't really matter if your type of clothing is expensive or not. Always remember that the price tag of your clothes will not define you as a fashionist. It's all about how the person wears it. Background. Background is one of the most important steps before taking a photograph. Making sure that there's no something weird or anything that will make you zoom in on a picture and ask yourself, what the fuck is that? Lighting. This is the secret ingredient. Most of the phones nowadays are capable of taking selfies to the lowest aperture available. Aperture is equivalent to how much light is entering through the lens. If you think that your phone isn't capable of taking good pictures anymore, try looking for a good source of light and you might be stunned on how great your selfies will be. Lastly, editing. This is the time that it really depends on you on how you're going to edit the look of your selfies. You could add a filter if you want to, but not every one of us has the same kind of style and feeling. In my case, I use Snapseed and Instagram to edit my selfies. That's it!